it's Sam. Today I'm going to be showcasing the brand new Super Mario starter set. I think one of the most iconic things about this set is the box. Just look at this box. It's not your regular rectangular prism. So, let's open it. That's number 2. 2, 1. Oh, how do I open this? This is too complicated. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Interesting. This is bag number 2. Bag number 3. Bag number, it does not have a number. Bag number 1. Bag number 4. Bag number 5. Instruction booklet. That's pretty handy in my opinion. And whatever is in this box. So, let's open it. Because I don't know what's in here. Open. Oh! Super Mario himself! Wait a sec. This actually looks smaller than I expected. Let's check the actual size comparison. I guess he's just missing his hat and his legs. Not too much of a problem. You know what I mean? Alright. I say let's get building. Bag number 1. Let's get building. First things first. Put in the batteries, as you can see. So I'm going to go grab a screwdriver and put in the batteries. Now with the batteries in, time to get building. Apparently, I need to get a digital building instruction and free app. Lego Super Mario. Let's see. Dating Lego Mario. Alright, I'm going to open bag 2, because I think that's what it's trying to tell me to do. I got onto the app, and there's a bunch of things of how to, like, control Marios, kill Goombas, all that cool stuff, get coins. And, see how to build my first course. Apparently, this is my first course, and I'm about to test it out. The app has a bunch of videos and like instruction booklets on it. Okay, so let's see how this goes, shall we? Turn it on. I don't know if we need to connect it to the device to play. I hope not. Alright, that's a start. Alright, I get it. Basically, we start building different parts of our course, and then we unlock new instructions for different parts of the course. And, yeah. So I'm just going to keep building for a while. So after following all the instructions on the Super Mario app for the starter set, this is what I've got. It's a lot of stuff, but it's pretty simple. So this is technically the first course you would make. Alright, so let me turn it on.
Lego Mario time.
Da da da. Okay, so if he steps on this, that means he's starting the course. Then you have 60 seconds. So you just like You jump on the Goomba, you get a coin. And then there's this thing. If you step on it, you're done. And you get your points. So I got 1 coin on that. Pretty cool, right? No, it's not that great. But I'll be creating a course with my siblings, so we'll be able to test our skills. Alright, next. So we got this thing. You gotta be really careful with this. I think this is actually kind of the coolest one. So it's got the barcode there. You place Mario on it. Okay, then it starts playing that music. And then you have to spin him around without him falling. And for the more spinning you can do, you'll get more coins. So I just got like 5 coins right there for spinning him around a couple times. There's a bunch of like things that he can step on. This would be lava. See? He's getting hurt right now. Also, if I put him on my hand, he senses that that's lava. And he gets hurt. That's that. There's some water here too. So if he's in water, see, it'll show that he's on water because it has the color sensor and the barcode reader down there. Oh, this one's a cool one. So just stand on it. He'll read the barcode and then wave him around, and you get coins for different ways that you move him. So that was pretty cool. There's this. The item box, basically. Well, not an item. I don't know if it's called an item, but it's the mystery box. Alright. So here we got Mario. And he steps on this, and then he wiggles around. See, he just got 5 coins. You can get extra time, more items. Ooh, that's nice. Nice! So yeah, you can just get all sorts of stuff with that item box. That is about, oh wait, yeah, and Bowser Jr. So if he steps on Bowser Jr., 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then he defeats Bowser Jr. Bowser Jr. has 5 hearts. Alright. And then this is just a little cool thing. If Mario jumps on this, that catapults away Bowser Jr.'s little lair. So here's some ways that Mario moves, alright? So, Mario can move by bouncing around like this, and that will get him coins, just like that. See? He gets coins if he does like that. If you make him jump really high, it makes this jumping sound effect. See? And then, small jump sound effect. So, yeah, pretty cool. If you like wave him around way too much and you drop him, his eyes will turn like spirally. So it has a bunch of cool stuff. So I'm gonna make the course with my siblings, and we're gonna test our skills. All right, folks, my siblings and I have constructed this beautiful course. So now we're gonna run it, and I hope I don't block everything from your view. All right, so here we go. Mario time. Or Lego Mario time. Nobody cares. Well, actually, I do, but okay. 3.
Nicholas,
move.
Sorry.
3, 2, 1.
You move your hand up too fast.
Wait. No, you're supposed to stay on the barcode.
Hey, there's Sammy. That's Mario.
Nicholas! Ah! Mario's falling off.
Don't make him die this time.
$10 extra coins. How many coins did I get?
Mario time.
32.
Oh, 34! Let's go! Have a good time beating that, siblings. Okay. Sophie, it's your turn to run the course.
Alrighty. I want to do it. Alrighty.
Wait. We have to reset the course. have to put,
the
okay.
the
And Mr. Bowser doing it.
yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Alrighty.
Wait, Nicholas, don't touch.
Nico, don't touch. Here.
I'm actually gonna try to follow Mario. Wait, you're supposed to grab by the handle. You're not gonna get any coins by doing that. That's all right. That's all right.
Without the lava. Yeah, throw it at me.
What did you get? What'd you get? 10 extra coins. All right. This is violent. Woo! Okay, how much did you get?
Let's see.
27. Ooh, okay, so I'm in the lead. 34.
Okay.
So V's 27. All right,
Alex,
let's reset the course.
Nico. Okay, yeah. I was just like, kick it off.
Yeah, you just like threw it. Okay, it's everything ready. Okay, wait, yeah, okay. Nicholas, don't touch. Okay. This is Alexander's turn. Alright. Oh, Mario died! Mario died! That is a die for Mario! I'm sorry, Alexander, we weren't able to complete the course. Actually, yeah. Mario died! Nope, cut! Mario died.
Come on!
You get an extra try, though. You get an extra try.
Alright, since Mario
Wait.
died the first time.
Okay. Wait. No, you have to put it here. Because we need a reset. Okay, there you go. Just put it on top. Alright, here we go.
I need it.
Woo!
Please say it works. This is why you have to do it slow.
Ah! Mario died! Alright,
Okay.
you're gonna get one more try. One more try.
One more try.
Alright, one more try. You can do it.
By the way, I'm brushing my hair right now.
Nice.
Please say it doesn't happen again.
Oh, yes. Okay, nice. Alright, then you just gotta attach it to the studs there so it doesn't fall off. Alright. Fly over the lava. Okay, what do you get? Shake it. What did you get?
5 coins.
Alright, 5 points.
Because you didn't shake it.
We must have not attached it. Oh! I think you broke it.
You broke the whole thing.
it. Oh! You got extra points because of that, I think. Okay, let's see. How much did you get? 29. Okay, so I won 34 points, but this is a absolutely great set. I highly recommend getting Super Mario Lego. So, I guess I'll